Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on whatever we are doing or whenever we are trading tonight. Okay, and so many people have really been benefiting from this. You too can also benefit from it, so we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through my channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the opportunities or the strategies shared in my videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away? These are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. Okay, and the performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can go fully into it. Now let's go straight into it right away, starting with boom 1000. This is boom 1000. Right from the support zone, it started an uptrend. You can see the yellow flag. It got to this resistance zone. It's supposed to go back on downtrend, but was unable to break out below this, so it went back up to break out above the resistance zone, and it gave us more buying opportunity. It has gotten to another resistance zone. If it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying. If it does not, it will go back on downtrend. So you can see right here the BRO is the one that worked out. Okay, you can see the BRO strategy worked out and gave us more buying opportunity. So this is still buying at the moment. This might not be for long, most especially if it's unable to break out above the resistance zone, then definitely it's going to go back on sell trend. Okay, so the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. This is boom 500. Boom 500 played around there for a while, but eventually it broke out to get to this resistance zone. Okay, so after getting there, it was unable to break out above it, so it swing into CIT strategy, and of course it started selling right from there. You can see the downtrend signal and the red arrow signifying the sell signal. You can see it sold till it got to this support zone. It was unable to break out below it, so it started buying right from there. So this is still buying at the moment. Next asset is going to be Crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. This is Crash 1000. Right from the resistance zone, it started a downtrend. You can see the you can see the red flag, which signifies a downtrend signal, and you can see the sell arrow right here, which signifies a sell signal. And of course it gave us more opportunity to sell around there, and it is still selling at the moment, even though it is approaching another support zone. You can see it broke out from this particular support zone, and of course it is still selling at the moment. So this is still selling at the moment, so we should take note of that. Okay, next asset is going to be Crash 500. Let's check it out right away. This is Crash 500. It came on downtrend till it got to this region, and of course went back on uptrend. Didn't go for long before going back on downtrend to try out to retest the support zone again. Retested it the first time, and of course the second time right here it has not been able to break out below it. If it breaks out below it, it will go back, it will continue with the sell trend, but if it does not, it will go back on buy trend. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment. This might not be for a very long time before going back into a buy trend, even most especially if it's unable to break out from the support zone. So the last asset we'll be checking out is going to be V75. Volatility 75 had been on uptrend for a very long time. You can see it right from here, and of course got to this resistance zone, had a pullback, and it will be trying out the resistance zone again. If it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying. If it does not, it will go back on downtrend. So this is still buying at the moment. So we should take note of all these, and of course we should apply them carefully whenever we are trading. I will be stopping right here. In case you are joining me for the first time, do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.